Mr. O!
Yes.
I need your help.
Okay.
The girls are picking on me.
Again?
They're always picking on me.
I know.
Well, okay, so here's the deal. I got my bird driver's license this week.
Congratulations.
And Lola says that that's not a thing. It is not a thing. Well, this is my license right here. I got it the other day.
Oh, from my drawer, and from my clothes.
So, I mean, you need to tell the girls that's my driver's license, my bird driver's license. Can you back me up here, Mr. O?
I don't think I can.
Well, if it's not my bird driver's license, then what is it?
It's the pair of shorts.
Didn't you read the tag? Read the tag. It says this bird, by penalty of law, is allowed to drive a car now.
Says body 100% polyester.
See? 100% drivable on the road, bird, yes.
Polyester! I can't wear
Made
polyester.
in China.
China, I can drive in China too?
That's where you should go, Scuttle. Yeah, go fly to China.
Can I drive to China?
Not from here. Well, partway you can.
Okay. So, you back me up then?
Yep.
You just want me to go to China.
You guessed it.
Man, a bird can never win. Never!